Hey, Jaden. Hey, your mic is muted. Just so you know, your mic is muted. I can't hear you. You're saying, I can see you saying something, but I can't hear you. Okay, now I can.
But that was because I was still in the call.
Oh.
I thought you were still in there.
Bro, this thing is actually staying open. Can you see that?
Yeah, why?
I can close it. Alright, let's...
But why? How did you open it?
Get ready to rumble.
Right,
Free for all, fight. Boxed out.
Did I kill you?
No, you didn't.
Don't call it a comeback.
I'm saying, did we kill each other?
Nope, we didn't kill each other.
Enemy slain. Kill streak.
Oh, jeez. I heard you deck. Go back in there and deck. I want to hear you deck out of there. Ah!
Okay, now I'll deck now. You said deck, alright. I decked.
Deck again. Hold on, let me not. Bruh!
You keep walking into it.
You know what?
Someone's tied the lead.
Oh my gosh.
Did
I'm
you
all the way
hear
in the
that?
corner.
Don't shoot me, just deck.
Alright.
Oh!
What does it sound like, bruh?
Bro, it sounds like
it.
a Super Rumble deck out. Alright, let me do
What does it sound
mine.
like?
Let me.
That's right. But why were you right there?
You've lost the lead.